Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. Just wanted to do an updated video on the latest lineup of Legend trad poles. These are carbon trad poles. In other words, they're meant for traditional window cleaning. I think the last time I did a video on these, I think I only had the 8-foot, 12-foot, and possibly the 16-foot. This was a video I did a couple years ago. Well, anyway, we now have 5 different sizes to choose from. So we have the 2-section 8-foot. You can see how tall it is in the collapsed version. And we have the 12-foot. Because it's 3 sections, it doesn't increase the height of the collapsed height all that much. Next, we have the 16-foot. It's 4-section. Again, adding more sections means the collapsed height doesn't have to go up so high. The 20-foot 5-section. And then finally, we have the 30-foot. Now the 30-foot, they've gone to a much longer length tube sections. So it's almost like a full-on water-fed pole. Anyway, I'm just going to run down some of the weights of these poles. So starting with the longest, the 30-foot, it's 5.1 pounds. Let's put that back there. The 20-foot is 3.1 pounds. The 16-foot is 2.5 pounds. The 12-foot is 1.8 pounds. And the 8-foot is 1.2 pounds. Now a little bit about the construction of these poles. So they are carbon trad poles. Now the clamps on these are the, I think the original video I had the older style clamps. These are the newer style Legend clamps. They're also used on the Black Knight poles. So you've got the metal levers, so they're nice and strong levers. They're not going to bend or break. Each trad pole, doesn't matter what size you choose, all come with an aluminum tip and an Unger locking cone. So you're all ready to go. You don't have to buy any additional premium upgrades. Of course, being that the trad tip goes into the top clamp, when you open that up, you slip that out. You can also insert other different types of tips, including, of course, anything to do with water fed. So if you have a water fed pole and adapter type device you want to put in here, you can certainly use any of these poles also as a water fed pole. Okay, so some of the reasons why you might choose a carbon trad pole over an aluminum trad pole is that, first of all, carbon fiber is a lot more rigid. Especially you'll notice it when you have the pole fully extended. With aluminum poles, when you fully extend them, they really get quite floppy, a lot of flex. It's very hard to do very detailed work with your squeegee. But with the carbon fiber, it remains that rigidity quite well. One of the other things too is that carbon fiber is much lighter than aluminum. Now you're not going to notice it too much when you're dealing with maybe just an 8-foot pole compared to like a carbon 8-foot versus carbon or aluminum 8-foot. But once you get into like 16, 20, 30 feet, you're going to really notice a big weight difference. Like a 30-foot carbon pole, there could be as much as 4-pound difference between an aluminum pole. And that's quite significant. And lastly, we're in November now. We're going to be going into December, January. If you're in the northern U.S. or you're in Canada, you know that if you got an aluminum pole sitting in a vehicle overnight, and the next morning you go off to do your round, start working with that aluminum pole, the aluminum is going to be quite cold. And if you don't, depending on your gloves, you can get cold hands really quite fast too. Especially if you have to take your gloves off to do any detailing work and then you're still hanging onto that cold pole. It's not a pleasant experience. Carbon fiber is not going to feel nearly as cold in the wintertime. The other thing too is that a lot of the aluminum poles that are out there, when you extend them at a particular height and then you use the twisting collars, sometimes that twisting collar doesn't work as well because you're getting snow and ice and stuff within the threads of them. With the carbon trad poles, it's it's a lever, so it's just clamping on. So you extend it and clamp the lever down. If you do need a little bit more tightening, you could just open it up there, turn the dial a little bit, clamp back down. It's going to hold. So a lot more benefits. Now, of course, carbon trad poles are a bit of a premium, And a few years ago, if you told people that in the industry that a lot of window cleaners are going to use carbon trad poles in the future, they'd probably laugh at you. Nobody's going to pay that extra expense, right? Well, they are a bit of a premium, but trust me, they're worth it. Anybody who I've sold a carbon trad pole to in the past, doesn't matter what brand, this brand, any other brand, they've never regretted it. And once you go carbon trad pole, you never go back. Anyway, I hope this video helps understand the full lineup of the Legend trad poles. We do have another video that we're going to be coming out with maybe in a few days or a week or two of a proposed pole that Legend is coming out with. We'll have a look at that and see if that might also be something you might want to look at. Anyway, thanks for watching.